Indian medical visa for Zimbabwe patients. Zimbabwe patients prefer India for a specialized medical treatment for themselves and their families. CMCS Health provides the best medical travel assistance for Zimbabwe patients seeking medical treatment in India. Assisting Zimbabwe patient with medical visa from Zimbabwe to India. Guidelines for Zimbabwe citizens for getting medical treatment in India. Who can apply for an Indian medical visa from Zimbabwe? Zimbabwe patient with valid Zimbabwe passport and who wants to come to India for medical treatment can apply for an Indian medical visa. Who can assist a Zimbabwe patient for their medical treatment in India? The best medical tourism company in India. CMCS Health is also your global healthcare guardian. We will provide the best medical tourism assistance for Zimbabwe patients' medical treatment in India. What assistance you will get from CMCS Health? CMCS Health will assist Zimbabwe patient in selecting the best Indian doctors for their medical treatment in India. CMCS Health will assist Zimbabwe patient in choosing the top Indian hospital which is within their budget as well. CMCS Health will assist with the treatment cost estimate of the medical treatment from different Indian hospitals. CMCS Health assists Zimbabwe patient for their medical visa application. CMCS Health will assist the travel to India for Zimbabwe patients. CMCS Health will also assist Zimbabwe patient in their accommodation during their staying in India. CMCS Health patient care experts will provide medical treatment coordination for the medical treatment of Zimbabwe patient in India. And CMCS Health will provide the best medical treatment for Zimbabwe patient that cures their sickness. CMCS Health is your global healthcare guardian. To learn more, visit our website cmcshealth.com. A name trusted by the Zimbabwe patient for their medical treatment in India, CMCS Health is the global healthcare guardian for Zimbabwe patients. We provide the best medical tourism assistance for Zimbabwe patients in India. Visit our website cmcshealth.com to learn more or WhatsApp us your queries at our number +91 95820 56061. To learn more about medical treatment in India and the medical visa to India, see the description of this video. You will get the link there.